My Beloved Masters, composed by Srila Bhakti Vigyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj. About Shishimad Bhakti Vigyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj. Shishimad Bhakti Vigyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj made his divine appearance in this world in Bhardwaj Gotra Chakravarti Brahman family on the auspicious day of Shayan Ekadashi, 21 July 1926, in the Sita Rampur village of Bankura, West Bengal. The disciples of Srimad Bhakti Vichar Yajavar Goswami Maharaj, who resided in Sri Shyamanand Gaudiya Math, Midnapur, often visited his childhood home during the regular collection of alms. Encouraged by these devotees, Srila Maharaj regularly visited the Math for darshan of Sri Guru Gauranga, Shri Radha Shyama Sundar Ji, and to hear discourses on Srimad Bhagavatam. It was there that he met Shishimad Bhakti Dayita Madhav Gosai Maharaj, one of the foremost disciples of Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur, during one of Srila Madhav Gosai Maharaj's many visits to Sri Shyamanand Gaudiya Math. After developing a close, affectionate relationship with Srila Madhav Goswami Maharaj over the course of many years, Srila Maharaj left his home in 1955 and, fully surrendering to the service of Sri Hari, Guru and Vaishnavas, came to reside at the newly established Sri Chaitanya Gaudiya Math in Kolkata. That very same year, Srila Maharaj was awarded Harinam and Diksha on Shayan Ekadashi and was given the name Sri Narottam Das. During his residence in the Math, Sri Narottam Prabhu was given the opportunity to intimately serve many godbrothers of his Guru Maharaj. As a result of this service, he received their affection and profuse blessings to realize the deep truths of Gaudiya Vaishnava Siddhanta. Seeing Srila Narottam Prabhu's unyielding dedication to the service of Sri Guru, Vaishnavas and Bhagwan, Srila Madhav Gosai Maharaj awarded him entry into the renounced order of life, means sannyas, in 1969, at which time he gave him the name Shri Bhakti Vigyan Bharati Maharaj. Having profound confidence in Srila Maharaj's abilities, Srila Madhav Gosai Maharaj entrusted him with many important tasks, such as managing the Math's Braj Mandal and Navdeep Dham Parikramas, escorting pilgrims to North and South India, arranging for Pradarshanies, means exhibitions at various places, preaching throughout many parts of India, and overseeing the construction of the most of Sri Chaitanya Gaudiya Math's branches, appointed him Assistant Secretary of Sri Chaitanya Gaudiya Math and awarded him the title Seva Vigraha, along with a certificate that described him as Analase, means never lazy, and Sada Satarka, means always alert. After the disappearance of his Param Aradhyatam Guru Maharaj from the vision of this world, Srila Bharati Gosai Maharaj untiringly served in Sri Chaitanya Gaudiya Math as the secretary for approximately 25 years. Srila Bharati Gosai Maharaj is renowned among the Saraswat Gaudiya Vaishnava community for his contribution in the Sampradayak Seva of translating from Bengali to Hindi Srila Vrindavan Das Thakur's Sri Chaitanya Bhagavat with a commentary of Sri Srimad Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada, as well as Srila Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami's Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita with the commentaries of Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur and Srila Prabhupada. Through the example of his flawless conduct, Srila Bharati Gosai Maharaj has taught all those who have been blessed with his association that non-sectarism and glorifying and serving the Vaishnavas are the greatest assets for those who wish to advance in spiritual life, and that serving and glorifying the Vaishnavas is more important than serving and glorifying the Supreme Lord Shri Krishna himself. He is especially known for his encyclopedic knowledge of Gaudiya Math history and his firm faith in Vaishnava Seva. Being a well-respected and stalwart Vaishnava, his instructions and guidance are sought by not only ordinary practitioners of Bhakti Yoga but also senior Vaishnavas. Even at such an advanced age, Srila Bharati Gosai Maharaj continues to travel and preach Vishuddha Chaitanya Vani, the supremely pure teachings of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, without any concern or complaint regarding hardship, physical or otherwise. Out of his endless compassion, Srila Maharaj blesses all sincere practitioners who seek his association by imprinting upon their hearts the impressions of associating with the genuine sadhu.